Hello students, in last period we studied the gametogenesis, that formation of sperm, that is the spermatogenesis, and another is of formation of ova, that is known as oogenesis. Today we are going to discuss about the menstrual cycle. What is the menstrual cycle? The reproductive cycle of female, the reproductive cycle of female, the reproductive cycle of female primates is known as menstrual cycle. The reproductive cycle of female primates is known as menstrual cycle. During menstrual cycle, different cyclic changes is there. The one menstrual cycle is of 28 or 29 days. It is of 28 and 29 days periods. At the time of embryonic stage, at the time of embryonic stage, the millions of immature eggs present in the ovary. At the time of embryonic stage, just before the delivery of 6 months, uh, millions of immature eggs present in the ovary, and at the time of birth, that will be 4 lakh, about to 4 lakh. At the time of puberty, at the time of birth, that will be 4 lakh. From birth to till puberty that will be degenerate. Many or thousands of immature, that is primary oocytes, degenerate during the after the birth till the puberty, and till the puberty only 60,000 to 80,000 primary oocytes are remaining in the ovaries. Normally, a female produces eggs from 32 year to 50 year. Sorry, 13 year to 15 year. The during 13 year, the female's first menstrual cycle is occur. That is known as menarche. During first menstrual cycle, which is occurred after during the puberty, that is known as menarche, and the last menstrual cycle, which is known as menopause, that may be 45 year to between 50 years. So at least an a female produce eggs till uh, 50 years, that is about to 32 years. The female can fertile completely till uh, 32 years, and in a 1 year that produce 30 eggs, means 13 eggs. That means in a 1 year the 13 menstrual cycle is there, and they produce 13 eggs. During the one menstrual cycle, one egg is produced by either left ovaries or right ovaries. So in 1 year 13 egg is there, and in 32 years total 416 eggs produced by the female. Out of these 4 lakh which present at the time of birth, only 416 egg will mature, other will be degenerate or disintegrates. So the menstrual cycle start from the 13 year, that is first menstrual cycle is known as menarche, and it till the 45 to 50 years, that is known as last one is of menopause. Menstrual cycle having three stages. First one is a follicular phase. Follicular phase. During the follicular phase, following events is there, and it is last for 14 days. It is last for 14 days. During this follicular phase, or we can also known as proliferating phase, uh, an Anterior pituitary lobe anterior pituitary lobe secrete FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. Anterior pituitary lobe secrete FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. FSH increase the growth primary follicles. Increase the growth of primary follicles in which primary oocyte is there. Increase the growth of primary follicles in which primary oocyte is there. It also means FSH also stimulate stimulate follicle cells. Stimulate follicle cells to secrete estrogen hormone. Estrogen hormones. Anterior pituitary also secrete LH hormone, that is luteinizing hormone, and this luteinizing hormone induce this luteinizing hormone induce Graafian follicles. Graafian follicle to produce eggs. That the rupturing of Graafian follicles. These are the following events occurred during this follicular phase. Anterior pituitary lobes secrete follicular stimulating hormone. That follicle stimulating hormone increase the growth of primary follicles, and FSH also stimulate the walls of cells of primary follicles that secrete another hormone, that is the estrogen hormone, and it is all known as female sex hormone, estrogen hormone. LH also secreted by the anterior pituitary glands luteinizing hormone that induce the Graafian follicles to produce eggs. These following events occur during follicular phase or proliferating phase. The next phase is of luteal phase, and it is last for 10 days. After the follicular phase, it is last for the 10 days. During luteal phase, the pH, the peak of LH is there. Luteinizing hormone is on its peak level. Utilizing, these are the different events which is shown during the menstrual cycle. So the first follicular phase start from 5th day to, that is 14 days. This is the follicular phase or proliferating phase, during which that FSH is increased, LH is also increased, and during that ovarian, inside the ovarian events, initially that primary follicle matured and ruptured on the 14th days, and estrogen hormone and initially estrogen hormone is increases during the initial days or during this proliferating phase. The second of luteal phase, it is last for 10 days, and during this phase luteinizing hormone is in its on peak level. Due to peak level of luteinizing hormone that initiate the uh, follicular cells of empty Graafian follicles, which secrete the another hormone, that is a progesterone hormone. This luteinizing hormone, which is on its peak level on the 15th days, and this luteinizing hormone uh, initiate or stimulate the empty pouch of Graafian follicle cells to secrete another hormone, that is of progesterone hormones. It increase luteinizing hormone increase uh, during this period, and it also increase LH stimulate cells of empty Graafian follicles to produce progesterone hormone. Progesterone hormone means this LH stimulates the empty cells of Graafian follicles to produce progesterone hormone, and progesterone hormone maintain the lining of uterus. They maintain the endometrium lining of the uterus, and that also help in the implantation. Progesterone also help in the implantation of the zygote and also maintain the uterine wall. Progesterone inhibit the formation of FSH. It also inhibits the formation of FSH, due to which new primary follicles will not mature. So these three events is occurred during that luteal phase. It is for 10 days. Uh, During this phase, luteinizing hormone level is on peak, and that peak means luteinizing hormone stimulate the cells of empty Graafian follicles to produce progesterone hormone. Progesterone hormone inhibit the FSH level, and that FSH uh, suppress the formation of new Graafian follicles. And next is of next phase is of, that is menstrual phase. Menstrual phase, it is for 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days, this is the menstrual phase. When fertilization is not there, fertilization is not occur due to degeneration of secondary oocytes. If fertilization is not there, secondary oocytes will be degenerate, and if the secondary oocytes degenerate, that Graafian follicles also degenerate. Graafian follicle degenerate, then to means empty Graafian follicle, which is also known as corpus luteum. If the secondary oocyte degenerate, corpus luteum, that is empty Graafian follicle, will degenerate. If the corpus luteum or empty Graafian follicle degenerate, that reduce the progesterone hormone. Progesterone hormone secreted by the corpus luteum. Due to degenerating of corpus luteum, the progesterone hormone level will be decreases, and if the progesterone hormone level will be decreases, the endometrium valve will be degenerate. Endometrium valve is maintained by this progesterone hormone. If the level of progesterone hormone will be degenerated, this will be dissolve and release in the form blood vessels and tissue form through the vagina outside the body. That is known as menstrual phase, or we can say bleeding. So this is the menstrual cycle. It is of differentiate into three phase: follicular phase, luteal phase, and menstrual phase. Follicular phase, which is start from 6 days to 14 days, during which that FSH is increased, LH is increased. Due to FSH and LH, the Graafian follicle will mature. Graafian follicle will mature at the till the 14th days, and on that day luteinizing hormone is also is it's on peak, and which ruptured the Graafian follicles. The ovulation is there, which is known as ovulation, and after that this empty Graafian follicle, which is known as corpus luteum, release progesterone hormones, and this progesterone hormone level will increases after the 14 days. Its level is increases after the 14 days, and uh, this progesterone hormone maintain the endometrium wall. It is also known as pregnancy hormone. If its level is high in any females, that means pregnancy is there due to, and which maintain the pregnancy. If the progesterone level will be down, pregnancy will be not occur, or maybe abortion is there due to lower level of progesterone hormone. And after luteal phase, next menstrual cycle will be either, during which bleeding phase or the endometrium will be degenerated and removed from the uterus through the vagina. This is the menstrual cycle. Initially, we said the menstrual cycle present in the primates. Primates. The mammalians are divided into two groups. One is of primates, another is of non-primates. Primates and non-primates. Uh, Non-primates having another cycle that is known as oestrus cycle, and primates having menstrual cycle. If we differentiate these two cycles, one is of menstrual cycle and another is of oestrus cycle. Oestrus cycle. It occurs only in primates, and it occurs in most mammalian. In maximum mammalian, the oestrus cycle is there. Bleeding occur in this menstrual cycle. Bleeding not occur. Bleeding not occur in the oestrus cycle. Endometrium wall broken down. Endometrium wall broken down. Endometrium wall absorbed. Absorbed by the uterus. Here no cyclic changes occur. No cyclic changes occur. No cyclic changes occur in the sex urge. Sex urge in female. Cyclic changes is there is present in sex urge in female. Means in menstrual cycle the females is all time ready for the sex, but in oyster cycle the female, inside the female the sex cycle or sex as it developed during the specific periods, that period is known as heat periods. So these are the difference between the menstrual cycle and oyster cycle. Menstrual cycle especially occurs in monkeys, apes and human beings, and in other mammals that is the oestrus cycle is there.